We'll just move focus to our other special debate tonight. That, of course, is, well, infighting, internal politics, bickering. No, not in the Congress and the BJP, but in Team Anna. Is that eventually going to be the end of the team? NDTV's reporters have found out that there is now a plan under active consideration that they will contest elections possibly in Himachal Pradesh, and that is proving a sharply divisive issue.
Till now, Team Anna has always maintained that it was apolitical, but they now seem to be all set to cross the political barrier by entering the Himachal Pradesh elections in a more direct manner. It still remains to be seen in what shape and form. But there are still many members in Team Anna who are concerned about this, saying, what if we don't get the kind of support in the elections? What then happens to the campaign against corruption?
जहाँ पे भी टीम अन्ना के सदस्य जाते हैं, वहाँ ये बात जनता की ओर से आती है कि आपको चुनाव में विकल्प देना चाहिए।
बहुत सारे लोग चाहते हैं कि चुनावी विकल्प दिए जाएं या जनता के उम्मीदवार तैयार कराए जाएं मत प्रतिशत बढ़ाकर, लेकिन अंतिम फैसला आखिर में उठते वक्त यही हुआ था कि अभी इसी प्रकार का कोई काम न किया जाए।
Some see the possible move to participate in Himachal elections as an attempt to regain momentum, especially after Anna's December rally failed to attract huge crowds. The team didn't have any impact in the 5 assembly elections either. The crisis was aggravated last Sunday when this member, Mufti Shamim Kazmi, was thrown out of Team Anna during a meeting. He was accused of recording their meeting on his phone. Although Kazmi denied this, the drama highlighted the divide in the group. Decision last week to share the platform with Baba Ramdev in future campaigns caught most of his core committee members by surprise.
अभी जब टूर होगा पूरे देश का, जहाँ-जहाँ हम इकट्ठा जाएंगे, वहाँ स्टेज पर होगी।
हम लोगों ने लोकपाल और भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ एक आंदोलन छेड़ा हुआ है, उस पर बाबा रामदेव समर्थन करते हैं, लेकिन कोई हम लोगों का ना तो साझा प्लेटफॉर्म, ना कोई साझा कैंपेन इस पर नहीं है।
For now, the team has prevailed over Anna, but with Parliament meeting currently, with the Lokpal bill hanging fire and a joint fast with Ramdev in June, the next 6 weeks could determine which direction they are headed. With Alok Pandey, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.
And joining me tonight, Kiran Bedi, member of the core committee of Team Anna. I'm also joined by Justice Santosh Hegde, former Karnataka Lokayukt, also a member of Team Anna, and Mani Shankar Iyer and Shekhar Gupta still with me. Kiran Bedi, is it true that there is a proposal under consideration that Team Anna could possibly contest elections in Himachal Pradesh?
This was a view. There was a view amongst the whole group. There were some members who thought that the movement is taking us nowhere. We're not getting the bill as we want. So now we need to go take the bull by the horns. But there was a counter-strong view that we have an unfinished agenda and the national movement must continue. We must remain a non-partisan voice, and the country has a space for an independent, non-partisan, impartial voice, issue-based voice. So therefore, Anna finally took the final call and said the movement goes on as it is, even though there is a difference of opinion amongst groups, but the core committee did not arrive at a consensus, and therefore Anna said the movement goes on as it is. So that's where we stand now, and that is what prevails as of now. As regards Baba Ramdev you talked about, it is again and again being said, both are talking about against corruption. Both have independent platforms. They will come together when the situation so demands. They carry on working independently for a cause. So I think that's where it stands, and Anna has been repeating this. We've all been interpreting it differently. Right. We've all been restating it differently, but the things stand as they are.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.